Hello, it's Monday, March the 14th, 2011, and I'm Martin Smith with a daily outlook from MaxiForex. Hello, it's Monday, March the 14th, 2011, and I'm Martin Smith with a daily outlook from UFX Bank. The dollar was mixed on Friday as Japan's earthquake caused investors to favor the yen in an effort to support the Japanese economy. Nasdaq and Dow Jones increased by 0.54% and 0.50% respectively. Crude oil fell by 1.5% as Japan's, the world's second biggest importer, and gold closed at $1,421.80 an ounce. No economic data is expected today. The euro advanced versus the dollar after the region's leaders negotiated an accord to allow primary market bond purchases. These should offer a lifeline to aid recipients in return for austerity commitments. Overall, the euro-dollar traded with a low of 137.52 and a high of 139.15. Today, industrial production is expected at 0.40% versus 0.30% previously. The pound was lower on Friday after PPI data came out worse than expected, 1.1% versus 1.4% prior, and showed that UK producer prices rose for a fifth month in February, boosted by gasoline and food prices. However, at the end of the day, the pound succeeded in closing almost unchanged. Next support on the 4-hour chart is at 159.80. Should the pair break below this, the pound will stay negative. Overall, the pound-dollar traded with a low of 159.77 and a high of 160.87. No economic data is expected today. The yen rose against the other major currencies as Japan grapples with a possible nuclear collapse caused by its biggest earthquake on record, prompting investors to buy the yen to pay for damages. The dollar-yen's momentum is extremely bearish at the moment. Probably the pair will remain unstable into the near future. Overall, the dollar-yen traded with a low of 81.65 and a high of 83.29. Finally, the Canadian dollar. This gained versus the dollar as oil prices slumped. As long as the pair's trading below 0.9820 levels, a short position is preferred and the momentum goes to the CAD. Next support on the 4-hour chart is at 0.9680. Overall, the dollar CAD traded with a low of 0.9705 and a high of 0.9802. No major economic data is expected today. That's it from me. Be sure to visit us at MaxiForex.ru.